G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your GLC200 Mercedes-Benz. So the first step is to press the start button here just once, and we want to be on the menu here that displays the trip. So you can see that we have the kilometers of the vehicle displayed here, so we need to be on this screen. Now what we do is we come down here, hold the back button, and then we just want to hold that for a couple of seconds and then press this middle selector button here, and you can see that our dash has changed up here. So now we can use the buttons on the steering wheel to scroll down to Assist Plus, select that, turn our ignition on, and then we can go down to Full Service because we've just done a service. You want to scroll down to Confirm Service right at the bottom there. Now I usually select the first one, 229.52 of the oil grade. And you just confirm that it's been carried out there. Go down and confirm. You can see there it's confirmed the full service. Now we can just wait a minute till that clears, and then we can go back to our menu and view that it's been reset. So we can come down to Assist Plus, and you can see that Service A is now due in 365 days. So there you go guys, if this video helped you reset your service light on your Mercedes-Benz GLC200, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.